Welcome back to Hot and Healthy Menopause. I'm Nicole Van Hattem, your menopause coach and retreat-loving guide through this midlife adventure. This is episode 174 in the Perimenopause Starter Pack, your crash course in navigating the changes of perimenopause with clarity, confidence, and a lot more sanity. Today we're tackling three of the toughest midlife challenges: sleep, stress, and mental health. If you've ever found yourself staring at the ceiling at 3 a.m, wired and exhausted, or snapping at loved ones because your nerves are fried, you're not alone. And the good news, there are strategies that work. Why does sleep suffer in perimenopause? Sleep disruption is one of the most common symptoms of perimenopause and menopause, and it's due to hormones shifting. Your estrogen influences temperature regulation, so declining levels can trigger night sweats and hot flushes. Progesterone has a calming effect, and when it dips, it's harder to fall and stay asleep. Melatonin production naturally decreases with age, making it tougher to regulate sleep cycles. The result? You wake often, feel unrefreshed, and run through your days in a haze. And it's not just in your head, it's biology. But understanding that is the first step towards reclaiming restful nights. The stress hormone connection. Enter cortisol, your body's main stress hormone. In moderation, it keeps you alert and energized, but in perimenopause, cortisol can go haywire. Why? Sleep loss plus fluctuating estrogen plus midlife responsibilities equal the perfect storm. So what are the signs your cortisol is spiking? You've got a racing heart, anxiety, even panic attacks. You've got weight gain around the middle, you're wired at night and sluggish in the morning. Cortisol dysregulation doesn't just steal sleep, it chips away at mental health, resilience, and your sense of calm. So what are some of the proven strategies to reset sleep and stress? Your evening wind-down ritual is a key. Dim your lights 1 to 2 hours before bed and get off screens. Cool your bedroom. The ideal temperature is 18 to 20 degrees Celsius. Avoid caffeine after 2 p.m. and reduce alcohol because it fragments your sleep. Do some nervous system resets. Breathing techniques, a 4-7-8 breath, box breathing. Mindfulness or guided meditation before bed. Gentle yoga or stretching to signal your body it's time to rest. Create some lifestyle anchors. Morning sunlight exposure to reset circadian rhythms, consistent wake up and sleep times, even on weekends, and daily movement, not too intense at night. And here are some tools to help you with tracking. Use my free food diary template at nicolevanhattem.com. It includes space to record not just meals, but also your sleep quality and mood. And for more detailed perimenopause focus tracking, download the Menopause Symptom Tracker on my site. Patterns become easier to spot when you see them on paper. And of course, my favourite, deep rest and retreats. Here's the truth. Sometimes the best way to break the cycle of stress and sleeplessness is to step out of your everyday life. Retreats give you the space to deeply rest, reset your nervous system, and re-establish healthy sleep patterns. Imagine nourishing food, hormone-aware movement, restorative sleep, and time for reflection. That's the recipe for midlife sanity. On my website, I share independent reviews and recommendations of perimenopause and menopause-friendly retreats. And when you sign up for my newsletter, you'll get the latest reviews and recommendations delivered straight to your inbox. Sleep, stress, and sanity are deeply connected, and in perimenopause they can feel like they're slipping through your fingers. But you are not powerless. By calming cortisol, supporting your body with proven sleep strategies, and tracking your patterns, you can reclaim your nights and your peace of mind. Start small. Tonight, dim the lights early, breathe deeply before bed, and write a quick note in your food diary about how you slept. Over time, these small steps build big change. Don't forget, on my website you'll find the food diary template with sleep and mood tracking and the menopause symptom tracker and my latest retreat reviews. And if you sign up for the newsletter, you'll get fresh updates on the best wellness retreats designed for women just like us. This was episode 174 in the Perimenopause Starter Pack. Next up, episode 175, Building Your Support Squad. You don't have to do this alone. It's the final episode in this series, and it might just be the most important. Until then, sleep well, rest deeply, and stay hot and healthy. Thanks for listening to Hot and Healthy Menopause. If today's episode helped you, please follow the show and share it with a friend who's also navigating the transition. And remember, you'll find my free menopause symptom tracker, retreat recommendations, and more resources at NicoleVanHaddam.com. This is your time to thrive, and I'll be right here to guide you through it.